here, then will we go? No?
We earn first money. No, me also starting only now. New company in Faruma. So it's okay now. If you come here, I will be too much sexy now. It's not eating good. I will be like that. If we are there in the shop, surely we will enjoy, no?
Yes.
We are always laughing to Uncle Chutmarit. He was like,
Chutmarani.
he was doing like, you remember? He will go like then if I will tell, why was I selling like that? Then Jane telling me, he's saying like, Shahadat and uncle telling bad words to me. I said, I know, but I don't care.
They don't care.
I know Chutmarani, but this is joking only, no. This is not like
This work site sometimes need to like joke and sometimes need to fun and work time is like need hard work little bit. No?
Sometimes
It's always
serious,
working
not always
is not
serious.
yes.
Sometimes only serious, no? But no need to make too much serious like, hey, Chutmarani. Yeah, this is only our joking, no? Then Jane thinking very serious like, Shahadat is insulting you and uncle. I said, oh, I don't care because I don't understand. Yeah, when we fight, she's saying like,